your vulnerability and your openness is a testament to women's strength and power and what you've done to turn things around to something else. And, you know, I think all of us could sit down and have quite the list of stories that we've all moved on in. And I don't think there's many women that don't have some story that they've had to overcome something. And I think that's what makes us strong women. And that's one of the reasons why I love being part of something like the Women's Speaker Association, because we are connected with such like-minded people, people that want to support each other, people that that love being able to help and want to hear other people's stories. It's not, no one's trying to keep it for themselves or, you know, poo-poo somebody else's, you know, nobody wants to rain on someone else's parade. It's always from a place of joy. That's what I've experienced anyway so far. And the main reason would have been around that and having a larger audience to be able to share my message. And that is that each person, in particular, each woman has magnificence within them, and I can help them connect with that person or with that wisdom or that sage within. And I'm delighted to be able to be here and have that opportunity to share that.